Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to be installing Node.js on a Windows 11 machine. So open your favorite web browser. In this case, I'll be using Google Chrome. Then navigate to nodejs.org and download either the latest or the LTS version, either one of which is cool. I'll download the current version. I already have it downloaded, so I'll hit open folder to open the directory. Double click the installer and follow the prompt. Accept, next. It will be added to the path. So next. So if we were going to set up for a big time project development, then you would check this, but since we are going to be using it for our personal use case, we just leave it and hit next, then hit install. Okay, so hit finish and then right click anywhere on your screen or in any folder, hit open in terminal. Then in your terminal, you can check the version of Node we've installed. So node -- version. Okay, so once the installation is done, right click anywhere on your screen or in any folder, come to show more options and hit git bash here. Then type in node -- version and hit enter. So we currently have Node 16.10.0 installed. You can check the npm version as well, so npm -- version. So we have npm version 7.24.0 installed. So we can install packages globally now. So I'm just going to say npm install yarn. Okay, so when you check here, we have our node modules, our packages, so everything works fine. So if you want to install globally, you have to add the -g flag to install globally. Okay, so now if I do node and hit enter, I get this interactive shell where I can say I can write any JavaScript code. Let name equals John Doe. Then call name and hit enter. So you can execute any JavaScript code in here. Okay guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like videos like this concerning Windows 11 and its development stuff, as I'll be posting more. See you guys.